हम्म। ठीक है, स्क्रीन शेयर करो।
Yes, I'm going to share my screen now. Screen share. One, say. Let me know once you're able to see my screen. There are so many things open on my screen right now.
या
Can't
visible now.
minimize it. Yeah, great. So yesterday I installed this storefront server as well.
ठीक है, लॉगिन करो। एंड हमारा डीएचसीपी वाला हमने कर ही लिया था, इशू सॉर्ट आउट, राइट?
Yeah, DSCP wala we completed, and storefront server has taken the IP from DSCP.
परफेक्ट।
The moment we created the server and joined it with domain, it took the before joining it to the domain, it took the IP from DSCP.
या इट विल टेक ना। So
Mhm.
that is the task of our DHCP scope, not to allocate the IP address,
Okay, okay.
because it will reduce our effort. Means if we are running 1,000 machines into the infra, right? So it's quite it's next to impossible to put the static IP in all the 1,000 machines, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So
So now, so it will automatically, the moment we will create a machine on any of the, even we'll create it on Zen server as well, it will take the IP from DHCP?
yes, but it should be on the same network ID, like 10.0 ID.
Okay, okay,
If network ID is different, then because our DHCP scope is running in 10.0 network ID, right?
okay. Yeah, 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 right, right.
Mm,
Okay, now what do you want me to start?
create the machine catalog from the master image.
Okay, I'll see. Now Zen server is also connected.
Now, do not turn on the master image, not required. Go to the studio.
Yeah, I even installed this Notepad
Mhm.
plus plus software on that master image.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying. Do not power on the master image, otherwise it will consume the resources, right?
Yes.
Empty, go to the studio.
Mhm.
Click yes.
Is anybody else also joining?
Mm, actually, they guys are in the beginning actually. So if I merge you in the mid now, we are almost
Mm.
about to done, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
for them, it's useless, right?
Okay.
Even yesterday, that I forgot the name, Anwar. He
Mm-hmm.
was telling me, sir, I'm unable to understand what you are. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so
No, no, for the if he's doing it for the first time, it would be a bit a problem for him. Okay. So you were going to share that NetScaler thing with me.
I will download and I will share it. But before that,
Okay.
we have to publish a few things, right?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
And in NetScaler, we have nothing to do.
Yeah, yeah. Now I'm going into machine catalog. I'm going to create a machine catalog.
Hmm.
Let it populate first. Okay. Create machine catalog. Okay.
Next.
Mm.
First one is fine. Next. Mm,
Mm.
our machines are power managed. Okay. And we are using MCS. Okay. Click on next. Expand this.
Mhm.
So whenever we will work on the master images now, we always expand
Mm,
the master image and we will select the last one, the recent one. Okay. So right now
mm.
we are having one only. Select this.
Okay, okay.
Click on.
Otherwise, all those master images will be showing here.
Yes, means in future if you upgrade this master image, if you patch
Mm,
this, if you do any modification, if you remove Chrome or if you add any application, right? So
mm-hmm.
after that you will get another snapshot under this master
Okay,
image only.
okay, okay, okay.
So
So
whenever you have. Mhm.
I will, I want to do that as well. How to create grade a master image stuff, sort of stuff. Okay. So how many virtual machines? Only one or two?
We do not have that much of resources and reduce the memory as well to 2 GB only, 2048, because we have to create few more machines as well. Click on next.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Have you created any separate OU in Active Directory
No,
server?
no, I have to, I have to.
Create one OU by name virtual machine or MCS, something like that.
Yeah, I'll do it now, right away.
So you told me you worked on MCS or Citrix earlier, right? You never worked
Yeah.
on how to update the machine catalogs?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Be creating a new OU.
New OU.
So
Name
it
it
would
like
be
Citrix MCS, Citrix MCS. So all
Citrix.
MCS machines will be there. Citrix hyphen MCS. You can mention like that.
Okay. Okay.
Now go back to studio.
So we'll
Mhm.
create
Click on back. Wait. Click on back. No. Click on back.
back.
Again, click on
Now
next.
next.
Check if it is reflecting. In the domain, in the domain part, you are getting domain
Hmm.
like just click on that drop down menu.
On the domain.
vdilab.com. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Browse for no, the second option. Yes. Select this. Click OK. It will refresh. Now you might
Yeah,
get
it, okay.
yeah. Select this OU.
Okay.
And the machine naming
Select.
convention you can give like it's a make it like app server AWP hyphen server SVR yeah hyphen two time hash key two time. Yes. So what we are doing here like we are giving the naming convention or naming scheme. So
All the
what
machines would be created like this only. Yeah, yeah. I know.
means
Okay.
if you have to create 100 machines, right? So host name of first
Hmm.
machine will be 01, 02, 03 till 100. So they will
Okay.
automatically join into the domain. You have nothing to do. Okay. So this here naming
Okay.
convention or naming scheme. So right now we are
Okay.
creating one only. So we will get one only.
Okay. Okay.
Click on next. Machine catalog name. You can mention
So
like
we'll keep
same application
uh,
server, app server. You can mention like apps and desktop both. We are going to publish both the things from this machine catalog option because we do not have any other resources to create one more Win10 machine.
we'll create application server.
Yeah, just make it apps and desktop and
Is
into
it
the
fine?
yes and into the machine catalog description you can mention server 2019 with uh, mention the space after 2019, server 2019 space with Notepad++ and Chrome. So
I
this is
haven't
how.
installed Chrome. I'm just mentioning Notepad Plus. I didn't install Chrome.
Okay. So this is how, like this second option, it is for Citrix administrator only. Like someone, like your colleague will be able to understand, like in this particular machine catalog, which application is installed actually, right?
Okay.
So whenever
Okay.
someone needs to be like upgrade in future,
Hmm.
and apart from that, you can put comma and you can put today's date as well over there, so that someone be able to understand like this machine catalog is updated on this particular date.
Okay.
Click on finish. So what it will do, it will copy your master image, and from that master image it will create the machine catalog. In the same way, you can create n number of machine catalog, totally depending on your hardware resources, whatever the hardware resources you have, right?
So we can create a machine catalog from. We have to create a separate master image for each machine catalog.
No, basically what is happening, if you are working into the MNCs, right? So
Hmm.
in that case, you are having multiple departments like HR team, IT team, sales team, or call center
Yeah.
team,
Yeah.
any other team, right? So
Yeah.
for call center team, some basic applications are required like Microsoft Teams or any other calling software, right? They need
Hmm.
that stuff only, right? And for IT
Right.
team, some heavy troubleshooting tools may be required. For HR team, Outlook and Teams or some SAP application or Salary kind of application is required, right? And
Hmm.
for finance team, some tally application or any accounting software is required. Software may be different, right? So what we will do, we will create the master image department wise. And
Hmm.
whenever we will get new joinee in that particular department, so from that particular department master image, we can create the machine catalog.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
in
Okay.
production, if you are having 10 departments, so you will get 10 master images.
So that master image will always, master server would always be kept down.
Yeah, it is always keep down by because we have to publish the machine catalog to end user, not the master image. We never publish master image.
Okay. Okay. And when we have to do the upgrade of the MCS, we have to do patching activity or any other
Those kind of things
monthly.
you can perform on the master image only.
Then in that case, we will bring down all the. We can work on the master image. We'll bring the image
Look,
up. We'll,
from this master image, what you have created like application server, right? And from this
Mhm.
master image, you have created, for an example, 100 machine catalogs, right?
Right.
So
Right. Right. Right.
you cannot work on the 100 machines to update them, right? Parallelly.
Right. Right.
So what you
Right.
will do, master images of these things is for engineers only, for us only.
Mm-hmm.
If we have
Mm-hmm.
got some requirement like for HR team, we need to add this application or we need to remove that application, whatever the requirement, right? If you have to
Mm-hmm.
patch, whatever you have to do, right? So what you will do,
Mm-hmm.
you will simply turn on the master image. You can do
Mm-hmm.
the modification, whatever you have to do into the master image. You have to take the snapshot, and from that master image, you can update all the 100 machines in a single click.
Okay.
But always this is a weekend activity. You cannot perform those kind of things in the weekdays, or you have to take
Mm-hmm.
the downtime. And for the same, you have to raise a CR. CR means change request.
Okay.
So it
Okay.
has to be followed by process only, right? And also you have some rollback plan as well. Means if something is not work as expected, in
Mm.
that case you have to roll back to the older master image.
Okay. In that case, what we'll do?
In that case, like as I told you, right now we are having one snapshot which is known as master image. When you update,
Yes.
you will get second option over there with current
Right.
date, right? If current date
Right. Right.
master image is not working properly, so you can roll back it to
Mm.
the top one or the
Okay.
older one.
Okay. Okay. So
It
we
is
can
not,
do it for one particular. We can do it for one particular machine as well to roll back.
yes, one or
Okay.
thousand, whatever the count.
Okay.
So basically what happens, like whenever we have to perform those kind of activities in huge organizations, right? So in organization we are having three cycles: UAT cycle, BUAT cycle, and production cycle. So
Right.
generally, like first week is your UAT cycle, second week is your BUAT cycle, and third one is your production cycle. So initially we update that particular machine catalogs in UAT only. UAT is a user acceptance testing, something like that. Okay. So in that cycle, what we will do, like if we got a requirement to update machine catalog for HR user as per their requirement, right? So what we will do, we will
Okay.
randomly select 10 users from HR team, and we will update this
Okay.
in like HR machine catalog, and we will ask those 10 users, please test it for a week and then give your sign off, like each and everything is working fine. Okay. If you got sign
Okay.
off, then you will put that, or you can migrate that image in BUAT. In BUAT you will get more than 50 machine or 100 machines for the same team. Okay. And if you after that, once you got,
UAT you are talking about. UAT environment, na?
yeah, UAT, and after UAT it's BUAT, it's business unit, business user acceptance. And once
Okay.
you get sign off from like UAT and BUAT, then you can directly put it into the cycle, like production.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Why? Because
For the
in production you will get thousands of machines. In UAT,
right.
in UAT only the 5 to 10 machines are there for testing.
Oh yeah, right, right, right. There are 4 or 5 machines on which testing happens.
Yes. In
You're
UAT
right.
you will get 4 5 machine. In BUAT you will get 10 to 15 machine. But once after sign off from UAT and BUAT, then you can go for the production, followed by their sign off, right? You cannot proceed without
Mhm.
their sign off. You need something into the return, like each and everything is working fine. And to perform UAT and BUAT testing, user will get 15 days, and 15 days are more than enough. If they are facing any issue or whatever the issues, right? They can report.
Okay. Okay. What happens exactly when we do this? When we are doing this MCS process. What is happening in the background? How exactly this happen? What is the differential disk and one more disk gets created?
Go to your hypervisor.
Mhm.
One machine will be creating over there. It is
Yeah,
preparing
this is a
one machine.
preparation map.
It's a
Yeah.
like kind of automated process, right? In a same way, if you
Yeah.
have to like if you have to create like thousand of machines, so in a same way it will automatic. It is a kind of automation, means when you take subscription from the Azure or from Google Cloud or from any other cloud platform, right?
So
So
that is something when we create an MCS, when some virtual machine is getting created
mhm.
in India, one is differential and one is I think independent disk in which the user data, this machine data resides. Do you have an idea about it?
So basically in machine catalog, like in MCS or in PBS, just forget about the PBS. In MCS, we are having three type of VDISC. Okay, your one like first one is your VDISC 0, and another one is your
Mhm.
identity disk, and third one is your personal VDISC. So three disks are there, and if you need to get the
Okay.
definition, like if someone asks you how many like VDISC are there in MCS, you can simply answer three. But if someone
Mhm.
is not using the personal VDISC, so what is personal VDISC? Personal VDISC means user data will be hosted on the personal. What we can say? Have you ever heard about the folder redirection?
Yeah, yeah, folder redirection, yes, or some file share as well. There is a
Yes. So
method
in
of
folder,
file share, Citrix, UEM, or FX Logics as well.
yes. So in folder redirection, what we will do, we will redirect all the user data to some specific shared folder, right? So
Where
it does
exactly we define that? Where we define this in the GPO or we do
in
it
the
in
GPU,
Citrix?
in the GPU only. There is no
Okay,
other option. So basically,
okay, okay,
okay, coming to the point, in the MCS you will get disk 0 and disk 1. Okay. So your disk
Yes.
0, it is known as the, I think, differential disk, and it is contains the OS which is copied from the master image. Okay, this is your basic disk which loads your operating system. Got
Okay.
it? And your
Okay.
disk one, which is known as the identity disk. So identity disk
Mm-hmm.
means which contains, it is a very very small disk, somewhere around 15 to 16 MB in size only. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and it will contains the data, like data from the active directory server, like to which domain this machine is joined, those kind of AD data it stores. And third
Okay.
one,
Okay.
is not mandatory, as I told you. If you are using folder reader, but in current world, I think everyone using the folder redirection, and all those things are redirected to OneDrive only, right? In your
Right. Right.
organization
Right.
only, like they have redirected their user data to the OneDrive. So if you log in on one computer or second computer or third computer, you will get your desktop download document everywhere, right?
Mhm. Right.
So earlier it was, still it is folder redirection only, but the guys changed the part to the cloud.
Yes. 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 They can move it to some file shares mechanism as a
Yes, yes.
Citrix
As we have
UEM or
created
SSLogix.
earlier, we created one file share na in your Active Directory server. If you want, you can move user data to that folder as well.
Okay. 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 Do
So
you
it,
know how to do it? How to create the GPU?
yes, but that is a different topic apart from the, it is a MCS
Yeah.
one,
Yeah. Yeah.
not the
Yeah. Yeah.
Citrix one.
Mhm.
I have created one video on that as well. I will share you that video. If you want to
Yeah.
try, you can try.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. You have to share that video as well, which you told me that that particular video in which we can do that NetScaler thing. Uh,
Okay, I think I am having some personal stuff at 12 o'clock. Okay, so
okay.
where is my YouTube channel? I'm sharing you one video for NetScaler only. Okay, it is a kind of
Mhm.
presentation video, or it's the kind of question and answers video only. Okay,
Okay.
please read all the questions. If you didn't
Okay.
understand anything, just let me know. When we will be configuring the NetScaler, na, I will guide you.
Sure. Sure. So can you stop this recording for us while Mahesh?
Yeah, we can record this.
Just no, no, you can